nga pala si Seminarian Ronel Antonio and welcome to my vlog. I am a seminarian from the prelature of Isabela de Basilan, and right now I am 4th year in theology studying here in St. Francis Xavier Regional Major Seminary of Mindanao. Ang topic po natin ngayong araw ay tungkol sa Ecumenism. Brother, ano nga ba yung Ecumenism?
Ecumenism, from the Greek word oikomene, meaning the whole inhabited world. It is the promotion of cooperation and unity among Christians. Jesus Christ founded one church, and in the midst of his passion, prayed that they may all be one, from the Gospel of John chapter 17 verse 21. In fidelity to that, the Catholic Church takes part in an ecumenical movement seeking visible unity among the diversity of Christian churches and ecclesial communities. Ibig sabihin, ang ecumenism, ang kanyang goal is ang pagkakaisa ng mga Kristiyano.
I have gone an interview with a pastor in our place, an evangelical pastor, and let's see what had happened. Good day everyone. I am here with me, Pastor Ariel Candan. So I will be interviewing him about ecumenism or about talking about Christian unity. So magandang araw po, Pastor. I am Seminarian Ronel Antonio, and I am here today to ask about your opinion about Christian unity. My question is that is there a hope towards Christian unity? May pag-asa pa bang magkaisa lahat po ng mga Kristiyano? Especially as Catholics and you po as mga Protestants po.
For me, there is possibility as long as we have this what we call we have one God, like kami masave kami dahil ni Christ, dahil sa yung Savior, sa inyo masave kayo dahil ni Christ, dahil sa yung Savior. So meron talaga possibility na mangyari basta magkaisa doon sa doktrina na yun. Kasi yun talaga pinaka-main sa atin na paano tayo maligtas. Kasi kung wala si Christ, wala yun. Parang walang hope. Wala talaga. Kasi yun yung pinaka-reason why may mga churches ngayon, because of the Savior, because of Christ. So yun. At saka siguro hindi na may forum na mangyari sa lahat ng mga churches para usap kung saan ba na pwede yung mga Kristiyano na magkaisa. So parang ganun yun sa for me lang, I don't know sa iba. Pero para sa akin yun yung isa na nakita ko na possible talaga na mangyari na magkaisa. Kasi kami din mga evangelical churches, galing lang naman din kami sa mga Catholic dahil sa Reformation na nangyari. Pero sa ganon, mayroon talaga tsansa na magkaisa yung mga Christian, yung mga nagbilib lang ni Christ na Savior. Pero yung iba na hindi ko na alam. Pero sa mga Christian lang talaga na may hope magkaisa.
So itatanong ko lang po, ano po yung mensahe niyo po inviting everyone like sa mga Protestants and the Catholic as well? So how can we invite them to live with that, to hold with that doctrine po? Ano po yung message niyo po para sa mga Catholics din po?
Siguro yung mensahe ko lang na yung iba yung pinaka-main yung sinabi ko kanina na doctrine ng Savior. Kasi naman, basta ikaw naniwala ka ni Christ na Savior si Christ, wag ka nang matakot kung mag-invite sa inyo mga Catholic or Evangelical, kasi yung pinaka-main natin kasi yung salvation ng tao, yung pinaka-main talaga matakot kung alam mo naman na may Christ ka? Bakit ka matakot magpunta sa kanila, mag-share or mag-isa? Kasi yung pinaka-main talaga natin, wala nang iba, yung kaligtasan ng mga tao. So para sa akin yun na huwag matakot talaga. No, may Panginoon naman tayo, may Christ tayo, hindi tayo hindi yan ikakatakot pag yung pupuntahan natin yung kumbaga same lang man din kasi sila naniwala din na in Christ. So open na. Ang ganun na puso, dapat humble lang. Kasi ganun na, yun man yung karakter din ng Christ. Yun yung dapat na natin, yung pamiron tayo as mga follower niya.
So thank you very much, Pastor. And
At first, I was really hesitant to approach the pastor, and in fact, I asked my cousin to approach the person because nahihiya akong pumunta sa kanya. And eventually, we had that interview, and it was a great interview. The most important lesson I have learned from that interview is that never be afraid to talk with other people, especially those who are different in religion. Huwag matakot makipag-usap. If you know really your faith, then there's nothing to fear about. That is why I am encouraging young men and women, especially the young Catholics, to engage in dialogue. When we engage in dialogue, we do not only focus on our commonalities, but also our differences. Huwag matakot i-express yung pagkakaiba natin, at saka sabihin talaga natin kung ano yung nasa puso natin. So, yun lang siguro, and thank you for watching, and please click subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button. Thank you. Bye-bye.